Welcome to the channel. Today's adventure is replacing my graphics on my KX450. They're kind of shot or used, beat up. Time to make it fresh and new for 2021. I came up with a little different design than what I have. I just replaced my son's graphics on his bike, on his KX110, about 2 months ago, and he's in love with them, and he said something about getting the same set. So I went and ordered close to the same exact set. This is his bike. So let's get going and we'll see how this turns out. Alright, so I have all the graphics off as of right now. Sprayed it down with what I can with Windex to get some of the residue off because there's still a little bit. As you can see, there's kind of like lines. I try to get these lines off as the best I could. Some of them are still there. Some you can scratch off, which I might have to go through and do that, but I got the best I could. A lot of stress marks. That's not a glare. They're kind of everywhere. I do go to the track and I have crashed, so hopefully the graphics will hide all this for the most part. I'm gonna save this plate. I do have a number plate already. I'm pretty sure I'm probably just gonna keep this. Not much changes, but I do have the white plate already. So, change out the black to the white. So, here comes the fun part of putting on the graphics. What's up, guys? We're back. Ran out of battery, so just kept going just to finish it, to get it done. Here's the big reveal.